ba ang mas importante sa pagkain? Healthy o tasty? Naniniwala kami na importanteng maghain ng mga pagkain healthy at tasty. Hindi nyo na kailangang mamili.
Kaya't samahan nyo kaming pasarapin ng iba't ibang putaheng punong-puno ng health benefits. Dito lang sa Food Delight with Ajinomoto Culinary Nutrition Team. Ang dish natin ngayong umagang ito ay perfect sa mga nag-e-exercise dahil ito ay low in calorie at rich in carbohydrates. So simulan na natin ang pagluluto ng ating fresh spring rolls.
Ito ang mga kakailanganin ninyong ingredients. 100 grams boiled sotanghon. Para sa filling, 1 teaspoon oil, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup carrot strips, 1/4 cup cucumber, peeled and deseeded, cut into strips, 50 grams red bell pepper, cut into strips, 50 grams green bell pepper, cut into strips, 100 grams lean ground pork, 30 grams tengang daga soaked in water and cut into strips, 1/4 teaspoon Ajinomoto umami seasoning. Kailangan din natin ng 12 to 15 pieces rice paper. At para sa dipping sauce, 1/3 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, at 1/2 teaspoon ng Ajiginisa flavor seasoning mix.
Okay, so nagpainit na tayo ng ating mantika. Igigisa natin yung ating tengang daga, carrot strips, cucumber cut into strips, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, ground pork. Okay, add our soaked or boiled vermicelli o sotanghon, soy sauce, and of course yung magpapasarap sa ating spring roll, 1 pack of Ajiginisa flavor seasoning mix. Continuous lang yung ating pag-stir fry nito. Ito yung magiging filling ng ating spring roll, no? Then in a separate bowl, ipe-prepare naman natin yung ating sauce. So meron tayo ditong water, vinegar, white sugar, soy sauce, and of course, we're going to sprinkle another pack of Ajiginisa flavor seasoning mix and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So, hintayin lang nating ma-dissolve yung ating sugar and totally mag-simmer yung ating sauce. So, babalikan po natin ito pagluto na. Now we add our Ajinomoto umami seasoning. And then haluin natin ng konti. So after this, ipapasa ko kay Manel for her to wrap our noodles and our meat filling.
So, we're using chef rice paper, no? So, kasi Vietnamese style yung dish na to, pero may pagka-Filipino siya dahil dun sa gisa taste na nakuha dun sa Ajiginisa. So, maglagay lang tayo ng konting mixture.
So by the way, yung ating sauce, no, nag-simmer na po ito. So we'll transfer it lang sa isang bowl.
So, chef, kung wala pong rice paper, pwede naman yung ordinary lumpia wrapper.
Okay.
Yung dish na to, perfect siya para dun sa mga nag-exercise, mga mihilig magsayaw, kasi very light lang siya. Mataas siya sa carbohydrates bilang immediate source ng energy, pero balance siya kasi meron din siyang protein. At the same time, very low in fat yung dish na to, so mababa siya sa calories.
Okay, so syempre, kailangan nating tikman to kung pasado sa ating panlasa, no? Very oriental yung lasa niya. Siguradong healthy and tasty talaga to. And of course, if you want more healthy and tasty recipes, bumisita lang po kayo sa aming website. It's www.ajinomoto.com.ph. See you again next week.
Bye!
Bye!